thanks for checking this out, Lost Mines. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let's go and look for a mine. Hey folks, we're back out revisiting the mine here. There he is.
It's this one, in case you've forgotten. It's a mine that we've done before. However, we've got this guy with us, the new ROV. We're going to be taking it in to 2 flooded winzes inside this mine that we explored, was it a few months ago, wasn't it?
That's it.
And we're going to, one of them had a lovely chain ladder in it, so we're going to send the ROV down these 2 winzes. I've got a plan of the mine on my phone as well, so we'll show you that in a little while, to see how many levels are down there, where the winzes go, and hopefully we'll find some artifacts or some levels. Or no one's ever taken an ROV in here before, as far as we know. And the lower levels, which are now flooded, were abandoned in 1916, so no one's seen that part of the mine since First World War, so this should be pretty cool.
Just hope it's not blocked, eh?
Absolutely, yeah. Should we go in?
And we've got Lois with us.
Oh, there we are.
Hello.
There she is. So let's have a cool adventure.
Absolutely, if we don't get wedged trying to get in.
Yes.
Let's do it.
There he goes. Look how tight squeeze that is.
I'm in.
On my way. Actually, I'll lower the bags down to you first.
Yeah, okay. Got it. Okay.
There you go. Here it comes.
Nope. Falling backwards into the water.
Down the back, was it?
Yeah, just slither down on your back's the best way. Let the gravity do its thing.
Very tight. Lois is coming now.
Okay. Yeah, I can see her feet.
That's so much fun.
How large the level is as well when you're actually in.
Wow.
There it is.
So like you said, we've been here before.
Yeah.
Now let's see what's underneath.
Absolutely. We're going to go back along the familiar ground, and then we're going to start going into the realm of the unfamiliar.
Amazing.
Oh yeah, I remember the lovely tramway on the floor. I can see the tracks already. There's a gorgeous 2-foot gauge tramway surviving on the floor of this mine, and we'll be able to see it clearer once the water dries up in a little while. There's Al there for scale. Very large adit for a mine in this area anyway, when we're used to the old coffin levels and that mine that we dug open a few weeks ago, that
was pretty cool.
162-year-old one, you know. This is all been blasted out by gunpowder here, no hand chiselling. This level was driven in about 1840, 1850, so right in the middle of the Industrial Revolution in this area, in this part of Wales.
It's nice and refreshing actually, because it's so warm outside.
It is, it's really humid, isn't it, outside? Yeah, this is
Nice
nice.
to come in here. It's like a Victorian air conditioning.
Yeah, it is rather.
It is. It's so cool. You right there, Lois?
So we're heading in roughly southwest towards the vein. Not there yet. This is a zinc mine, and this crosscut adit goes in from the hillside to intersect the zinc vein at about 50, 60 foot below the surface. Not a huge depth, but will be a huge depth soon with that ROV hopefully, because we have about 3 levels below this one, below the valley floor. So naturally they're all flooded now. All the water was pumped up to this level, and then it drained naturally out of this one. The entrance used to be a lot bigger, as you might imagine, and all the water drained out this way.
There's the amazing big huge stope in this one.
There is a huge stope, it's just round the corner there.
cool tools, if I remember right.
Yeah, there was one or two things, weren't there? Yeah. Just looking at this, we're cutting through a small, a bit more than a clay joint. We're cutting through a small fracture here, fairly poor. But that's always a good sign that we're getting up to something a little bit larger. And see how that fracture represents the change in the geological formation. It was all yellow, irony, that sort of stained colour further back along the level. Look how here it's all grey. It was really orange and yellow back there. That was in the Gwestin formation. We're now coming into the Rhondorf mudstones.
Amazing.
Here we go.
Here we go.
The mega stope with a set of tramway points on the floor.
That is super cool.
And then there's our ray of daylight coming down up there from an old open stope up to the surface. Remains of a stull of the miners' working platforms. So this area of the mine was closed a little bit before the rest, so we're talking late 1800s for this particular area.
Here we go. That's where we're sending now.
Yes.
Look at that.
Let's stay out of the water so that we don't make it all muddy.
Not like we did in the last one.
There we go, there's our flooded winds.
That's well open, isn't it?
Yeah, now look at that. So this is going to be good. The chain ladder hanging on that peg. That is absolutely brilliant. See the timbers underneath it to stop the chain from rubbing on the sharp rocks at the top. They put the little... Yeah, that looks cool. Wonder how far the ladder goes. We're going to have to follow the ladder. We'll follow that with the ROV. It looks like that area has all been stoped out. That's a stope in there. So that's going to be...
I tell you, that's the best ladder I've ever seen.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Should live in a museum, really.
Yeah. I've seen crumbled versions of them in some mines around here, but this is the only complete one that I've ever seen, or by far the best complete one that I've ever seen in this area. And the stope carries on down there.
There's another flooded wind over there.
Yeah, that's right. There's another one over there. Yep. There it is.
And this is the FIFISH V6 EXPERT. It's absolutely brilliant. And I highly recommend anyone to get it. They like this sort of exploring underwater things. They're pretty darn amazing.
So this here is the mine plan. There. So we are in the main adit, right here. Main adit. And this little winds right there, let me zoom in a bit. This winds right there is where we are now. So the dark shaded areas are stopes. We've got a stope above our heads. So this winds here, quite correctly, as we just saw, breaks through into a big stoped area. This is the second winds that we'll do next, which is further on. So both of these winds go down to the 10 fathom level, 60 foot. That's how far we got to go. This is all done on estimation. This whole area could be stoped out, so maybe we'll have a clear run down to the 20 fathom level, or even the 37 fathom level. I don't know, that's what we're going to find out. So we'll definitely have it down to the 10 fathom level, and whatever else is subject to what the old ROV finds out. So that's what we're going to hopefully be enhancing upon today.
Here we go. Go on, going to lower it down now. Down it goes. Easy, tiger. Perfect. Put the full lights on. And lock it. That's it.
Right. Hold fire for a sec.
Going, check that out. Oh, look. Off we go. Wow.
Look at that stove. Where's the ladder? Oh, there's the ladder. Look at the ladder. Follow the chain ladder.
God, they were brave men.
Oh, wow, look at that. That's amazing.
They were such brave men. Is that a big thing?
No way.
We're recording. What's up?
Winding you up there. You're going the right move. Ready for this?
Yeah, I'm going.
Check that out.
Oh, whoa.
Off we go.
Wow.
My
Look at that stope. Where's the ladder? Oh, there's the ladder. Look at the ladder. Follow the chain ladder.
God, they were brave men, weren't they?
Oh, wow. Look at that. That's amazing.
They were such brave men.
Gee.
This is so easy to control.
Oh, it goes up into the air. Look, it goes into the free hanging. Oh, look at the ladder. It's just hanging there.
It's amazing.
Oh.
Oh, no, it's not.
Ooh.
It's timber.
Is that the level? There's tracks. We're in the level. Look, there's rails on the floor. Oh, we're in the level. Whoa. Oh, look at that. Which way are we going now? Are we going that way or are we going that way?
Underneath us.
Oh.
We're
We're going away from the other winds, so we're going west.
the one you showed on the map.
Yeah, we're going west.
Going very slowly, we are, because I don't want to miss anything.
No, for sure. Oh, look at the tracks on the floor.
What's this? What's this? Are they tools?
I think they're just timbers. What, hang on, there's something down there on the floor.
Getting gripped on here.
Ooh, what's that? What is that?
It's fuse boxes.
They are too. Can you get up close?
I don't want to disturb the silt.
Get a little bit closer.
Look at that.
Yeah. Oh my
Fuse
god.
boxes.
They are.
What's that over there? Let's go away from the silt.
There's a bench, like a wooden bench.
Yeah. I'll go down too low, yeah? Let's get up.
Okay.
Usually does it. Table stopped moving. Yeah, look.
Look at
It's
those.
got a lid on.
Yeah.
Sinking. I've kicked up the silt. We'll look at it on the way
Yeah,
back.
yeah, yeah. There's another stall up here. Look at that. There's a working platform above the rails.
This is amazing.
Wow. Oh, see that? That's a sheet of corrugated zinc. So they would have put that up on top of the timbers to keep the water off the miners' heads.
Right.
I think that's what it is. Well, we'll see in a sec now.
What's the water temperature? We're 8.5 meters down.
8.5 meters.
It's 8.
So we're not. That's not 10 fathoms, is it?
No.
So there's an extra level here that I didn't know about. Wow. Just winding out some more cable.
It's not going.
It's, yeah, it's okay. Give Lois a second. There we go. It
She's
should.
doing a grand job with it.
That is corrugated, isn't it, on the floor?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Ah, is that the end?
Don't know the... Oh, here we go.
I think that's a four-breast. Oh no, it goes up.
So that's the term for the end, it's a forebreast.
Yeah, a forebreast is like the working face. But it goes up.
It's the
It's just the stope, yeah. Wow.
What's that?
That's the vein.
Oh, what's that white thing?
I don't know.
Oh, the cable's caught somewhere. Turn around.
Yeah. Back down to the floor.
Yeah, the timbers are stopping the cable.
Yeah.
Go towards.
Anyway, that's the end of that level anyway.
Yeah. Cool though.
That's amazing. So let's have another look at these on our way back. We'll go the other way next. Yeah. There's two metal ones and a little wooden box one.
Yeah.
That's superb. Is that a handle on the top, like a curved handle on top?
Looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah. Wow.
That is superb, isn't it?
That's amazing.
Is that a flask? Gunpowder flask? No, it's a tin, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's a tin of some sort. Yeah, yeah. God, look at those rails. So there's that big timber. That's where the ladder comes down. Oh, there is the ladder. Oh, look at the bottom of the ladder. Look at it just hanging there. Wow.
Let's find the cable.
There it is.
There.
Oh, there's us. Look, you can see our lights.
Oh, yeah.
We're looking straight down at it. Ha! Yeah, I can see the lights and the winds. Okay, so we'll go the other way then.